Joshua Bliss, Core Satellite Investment Strategy, a smarter way to balance risk and growth. A lot of investors, especially in retirement, feel stuck between two extremes. On one hand, you want growth to outpace inflation and support a 20 to 30-year retirement. On the other hand, you're more risk aware than ever. You don't want to chase returns, and you definitely don't want your portfolio to get derailed by the next market downturn. That's where something called the Core Satellite Investing Strategy comes in. It's not flashy, it's not market timing, but it's a simple framework that may help you balance stability, growth, and flexibility, especially if you're in or approaching retirement. Hi, I'm Josh Bliss, founder of Gateway Capital Management, now proudly under Balboa Wealth Partners. We help successful retirees and pre-retirees create tax-efficient investment strategies designed to protect what you've built and help it last for the decades ahead. In this video, I'll explain what core satellite investing is, how it works, and how it can help you manage risk without missing long-term growth opportunities. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more clear retirement insights. Part 1. What is core satellite investing? At its core, this strategy breaks your portfolio into two parts. 1. The core. This is your financial foundation. It typically includes broad market index funds, or ETFs, high-quality bonds, global diversification, and low-cost exposure to entire asset classes. The goal is simple: reliable growth, diversification, and lower volatility. It's your financial engine, steady and efficient. Number 2, the satellites. These are smaller, tactical allocations meant to complement, not compete, with the core. This might include specific sectors you believe in, like energy or healthcare, real estate investments or REITs, actively managed strategies, tax advantage or alternative strategies. Think of it like a solar system. The core is the sun, central and stable. The satellites are the planets, flexible, purposeful, and orbiting your long-term plan. Part 2, why this works so well in retirement. Core satellite investing isn't just for younger investors. In fact, it may even be more effective during retirement for the following 4 reasons. Number 1, it creates structure in a noisy world. Markets fluctuate, headlines change daily, but with this strategy, each part of the portfolio has a role. The core stays invested for stability. The satellites allow for targeted opportunity. This kind of structure helps reduce decision fatigue and keeps your plan focused. Number 2, it helps you stay calm when markets move. In retirement, you may have more time to watch the markets and more temptation to react. But knowing your portfolio is designed with intention gives you peace of mind. If a satellite dips, it's a small part of the plan. If it rallies, you can harvest gains and rebalance. 3, it supports smart withdrawal planning. The core may generate steady income from dividends or bonds. The satellites provide optional liquidity for larger expenses or opportunities. This allows you to decide what to sell, when, and from where, which can help reduce taxes and improve sustainability. 4, it evolves with you. You're not locked in. As your life and goals shift, the structure adapts. You can gradually increase your core for stability, shift your satellites towards more income, or adjust based on health or family needs. It's built for long-term use, not a one-time tactic. Part 3, what it looks like in real life. Let's say you're retired with $2 million in investable assets. You want steady income, long-term growth, and some flexibility to pursue specific opportunities. Here's how a core satellite strategy might look. The core, 70% of your portfolio, or about $1.4 million. This would include broad market ETFs, high-quality bonds or bond ladders, global developed markets, dividend-focused and tax-managed funds. This provides stability, income, and long-term growth with less daily stress. The satellites, 30%, approximately $600,000. This is where you add tailored exposure. Maybe a real estate fund for yield and diversification, a thematic ETF like green energy or healthcare, a tactical small cap allocation, or a concentrated stock position from a previous employer. Each piece is intentional. You're not betting the farm, just adding focus. What happens in a market pullback? Let's say your small cap satellite drops 20%. It's only 5% of your total portfolio. You can let it recover, harvest a loss for tax purposes, or rebalance into another opportunity. Meanwhile, your core continues generating income and managing volatility. And when markets are strong, you can trim profits from a satellite and shift back into the core. It's a disciplined, repeatable process. Part 4, common mistakes to avoid. Core satellite investing is simple in concept, but it only works if it's applied with clarity and discipline. Here are 4 of the most common mistakes I see and what to do instead. Mistake number 1, letting the satellites take over. This usually starts with good intentions. You add a few tactical investments that perform well, so you add a few more. And before you know it, your satellites are taking up 40 to 50% of your portfolio. And at that point, you've lost the balance. You're no longer anchored to long-term stability. Why it matters. The satellite sleeve is meant to enhance your plan, not dominate it. Too much concentration here can increase volatility and risk without enough reward. What to do instead? Set a clear allocation, typically no more than 25 to 30% of your total portfolio, and rebalance back to that limit regularly. This keeps the strategy working the way it's designed. Mistake number 2, chasing trends without a plan. We've all seen it, hot sectors, flashy ETFs, or the latest can't-miss idea. It's easy to tilt your satellites towards what's trending, but if you don't know why you own it, when to exit, or how it fits your overall plan, you're not investing, you're speculating. Why it matters. Without clear rules, tactical positions can turn into unintentional risks, and emotional investing often leads to poor timing and avoidable losses. What to do instead? Every satellite investment should have a defined role. Whether it's for growth, diversification, tax efficiency, or yield, know the why before you buy, and it's always have an exit strategy. Mistake number 3, ignoring taxes when rebalancing. Here's one that catches many people off guard, especially in retirement. Let's say one of your satellite funds outperforms, and you want to trim gains and rebalance, but you do it in a taxable account, and suddenly you've triggered a significant capital gain. Why it matters. Taxes can quietly eat into your retirement returns if you're not careful. Even a small decision, like when and where to sell, can have a big after-tax impact. What to do instead? Use tax-aware rebalancing strategies. Match the right investments with the right accounts, like a Roth IRA or brokerage. Look for opportunities to harvest losses and offset gains. This is one of those areas where working with a professional can truly add value. Mistake number 4, setting it and forgetting it. This is a common one. You set up your core satellite strategy, it feels solid, and then life happens. Markets evolve, your retirement goals shift, you start drawing income or adjusting your risk tolerance, but the portfolio stays the same. Why it matters. What worked 5 years ago might not be right today. And if you never revisit the strategy, you might miss chances to reduce taxes, lower risk, or align with your new priorities. What to do instead? Review your allocations at least 4 times a year. Revisit after any major life change, like retirement, a health issue, or inheritance. Don't constantly tinker, but don't neglect it either. The strength of core satellite investing is its flexibility, but that only works if you stay engaged. Key takeaway, core satellite investing works best when your portfolio has clear roles, your satellite choices are intentional, and you revisit the strategy as your life and goals evolve. It's not about chasing performance, it's about aligning your investments with what matters most to you. So here's the bottom line. Retirement is not just about building wealth. It's about managing it with clarity, control, and confidence. The core satellite strategy gives you a practical way to create structure in an unpredictable market, balance stability with flexibility, customize your portfolio without overcomplicating it, and make smarter withdrawal and tax planning decisions. If you're a retiree or a pre-retiree with $500,000 or more invested and you're wondering how to manage growth and risk at the same time, this framework could be a smart fit. But every situation is different. If you want to make sure your investments are aligned with your retirement goals and structured in a way that helps you manage risk and pursue long-term growth, let's talk. Click the link in the description below to book a free consultation. We'll take a look at your current portfolio, walk through whether a core satellite approach makes sense for you, and help you design a strategy that supports not just year 1 of retirement, but the next 20 to 30 years as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.